two we just passed.
And then we've got
A lot of these just have fire pits and a little stick that signifies what number it is. I think there's a shower and a bathroom right there. And there, look, over there is more access to the river. Oh, wow.
Well, we finally made it to our new destination. It's a creek and a farm, basically open water bath. We got a creek and we got a farm, and there's a couple other people who are also staying here at the farm. They're actually gold panners, so one of them might take Johanna out tomorrow while I'm working and show them gold panning. That'd be cool. It'll be her new YouTube channel after glance. Here we are. We're at the campsite. You can see some of the RVs are right up there. There's only 2 RVs and a couple of tents here. We actually got hookups here, so it's just like being at an RV site. Oh, look at the butterfly. But yeah, right now we're just cooling down. It's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and so it is hot. It's been a real hot day going from plant store to plant store. The generator's barely keeping up with the air conditioner, but we're here, and we don't need the generator because there's power. There you go, you got it, Lizzie. You got it. Now come on back.
Good girl, Lizzie.
Not a bad place to work.